I need my flow mask back, bro.
Go for that.
No time. Remember I traded you for the carpet?
What flow mats? What flow mats?
What you mean, what flow mats, bro?
What fucking flow mats, nigga?
The ones that we traded, bro. Those flow mats.
Oh, them flow mats. Oh, yeah, they right here, homie. Come on, get them. All right, gang, so that Willie practice shit went boo-boo. So I'm back to being hands-on. Well, I ain't gonna lie, in the mix of that, y'all know Cookie came in heat, so y'all remember the video, oh, Cookie did it, Cookie ass in heat, so I went and got my kinfolk, and he brought his big old mammoth over here, and we got some XL bullet shit, some triple-double XL bullet shit going on in the backyard. But right now, we finna hook up T by Wise, man. That nigga finally decided to goddamn go with some beat, y'all. And then see y'all this, y'all. Yeah, man. Little boo-boo amp, boo-boo speakers, boo-boo Wise for a boo-boo nigga. Nah, but real talk, we finna do this. I'm finna go and wire this up, so y'all just rock out on with me. Shit, it is what it is. Damn. Yeah. Where the camera at? That motherfucker over there, on this side behind me.
Big covers.
That's the power wire. They're gonna run this down ACR jacks. You got supplies in this bitch?
Nah, I go grab.
Damn. I seen you clean the back of the truck.
Y'all niggas the one did that.
Who?
Stop putting trash on the back of my shit. These random ass shit on the back.
What them niggas got? Tweet.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Them hoes.
Hey, let me use them in my room in my tech session. Hook them
That man, my
bitches
boy.
up.
And what the OCA jacks got? Don't turn this into something that ain't got it.
Ask 93V, he get the trip. Ask 93, he get to acting like he on a different mission.
Like I'm on a pimp. Like I'm on a motherfucking pimp trip.
Didn't take the boat so the transmission steady keep slipping. Damn it, I guess I ain't gonna get it.
No, nigga got a ball. Stacks in the mall and the niggas
Big
stand tall.
stacks.
Big stacks, big racks.
93V, 93V, on your YouTube, on your fucking TV.
Boy, I hated this shit back in the day.
That's why I don't be just jumping to ask you to do that shit, but I was like, fuck that, man. Why do I do this shit? I'm not taking it to them boys. After the alignment yesterday, I was convinced not to take it to them boys. Oh yeah, that boy 93 did a self-alignment for me right here at the crib yesterday. I don't know why he didn't get footage of that, but the steering wheel ain't all the way straight, but I can ride. We'll figure the rest of that out later. That nigga say all the way straight. If I'm correct, that steering wheel is all the way straight. He said it ain't quite straight, but it ain't straight at all. Grab something. See if any one of these is. I just eyeballed them.
None of them.
None of them.
Nope.
Smaller.
Bigger. But just too big. And these all are the same fucking numbers.
All right, well here. I'll look at the numbers this time, bro. Too big?
Yeah, it's too big, what are they? And too small, it's right in the middle.
All right. Right in the middle. My eyeball wasn't that far. I think that's exactly what that'll work.
That's the remote wire. So basically, just in case y'all niggas don't know or shit, I know a lot of people do or don't. I don't know, man. It is what it is. But man, you need your remote wire to go to the back of your radio, go straight to your amp. That way, whenever your radio turn on, it shoot power to your amp and let your amp turn on. Not only that, you need your RCA jacks to the back of your radio. That way, you know what kind of, you know what I'm saying? This is how your sound output input. Your main power wire shoot to your battery. Then you're gonna have to put this defibrillator distributor, counters out. You know what I'm saying? This is a counters out, and we call these just, you know, a fuse block, basically. So once you put your defibrillator and your distributor on there, on the wire, between your wire at any point, between the battery and your amp, just to say your amp, if anything go wrong, your amp will have power. Then you got it's a wire back here for the ground somewhere. But yeah, it's only 3 or 4 main wires, bro, to get your amp hooked up. You can get fancy with it if you want to. You know what I'm saying? But it's all on you, man. T-Bot getting a $100 hookup, so we just gonna goddamn get him.
I'm not looking for everything you do with yours anyway, bro. I just want some sound quality. You know, I like to jam my R&B sometimes. I like to jam my thugger sometimes. I need, all that. I need to be able to hear that quality. Especially when I put on them oldies. Some of that Isley's, you know what I'm saying? That Teddy.
Open that other door, boy. I starting to sweat in this bitch.
Who the hell closed? Shit, nigga, all the electric we got. I don't know where exactly, but let's see. Let me get a couple more minutes of this vlog again, Trigger. I got you.
Yeah, I'm on the ground wire right here, man. Y'all know I be editing a lot of the video out. And, I don't be talking and shit, so when I don't be talking, you know what I'm saying, it's what I edit out. And just be bullshitting, and I come back and tell you the good, important shit. But right now, I'm Stragg ass. I could have had some wire cutters, but T-Bot want me to do this shit the hard way, so I'm gonna do it the hard way with T-Bot.
Man, why you just didn't run a list of all the tools you needed, bitch? You know I ain't tripping.
Yeah.
But I don't like doing shit the hard way, y'all. Don't let it fool you. Nigga, I got a flathead.
Yeah, we need a flathead for him.
Yeah, I said, oh, you seen it. You seen it.
I heard you catching bodies, my nigga. Like what you saying?
You
know I had loosened it before you had bought that, huh?
With the screwdriver?
Yeah.
Yeah, I lied.
Just
You
to let
should
you
have
know.
got footage of that.
Just to let you know.
How?
Bro, they didn't put no nipples in this damn thing.
I need my flow mask back, bro.
Go ahead.
No time. Remember I traded you for the carpet?
What flow mats? What flow mats?
What you mean, what flow mats, bro?
What fucking flow mats, nigga?
The ones that we traded, bro. Those flow mats.
Oh, them flow mats. Oh, yeah, they right here, homie. Come on, get them.
Keep them at your house. That's like both of ours. You good.
Oh, okay. Come on, homie. We can go get them if you want.
Stall them out.
They right here in the back.
Come on, Debo. Stall them out. Stall them out, man.
I'm for real. I'm really feeling like you really want them. I think we probably do best to go get them.
What?
Them flow mats you was asking about.
Nah, you can have them, bro.
I think we probably need to go get them.
Okay.
Let's go get them.
I'll ride with them for a while then.
Yeah. They're right here in the back, homie.
Nah, I don't think I need them, man. They really ain't that important, bro. I got this little, I got this right
Boy,
here.
this is some hard, heavy dude. This bitch brass or something.
Don't look like copper.
I Fine. This shit metal
Stainless.
with a copper coating.
That hoe ain't got a good ground.
Reaper. Demon. They gonna be in hell, boy, when I get used to that 250.
I ain't even trying to get used to it no more. I'm just glad I jumped back on some kind of clutch because I'm ready to go get me at least like the 125. Is an 80 like a four, like a, that like, what is that?
Two-stroke.
It's a two-stroke?
Mm-hmm.
And a
Now this one copper.
What's a four-stroke? Like,
Four-stroke
what's
is
the...
straight gas, nigga.
No, I'm saying like, what's the, like, the little, not the big boy four-stroke, not the 450.
TTO 125.
That's a four. Oh, that was a four-stroke I had.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, bet. I fuck with that hoe with the distance.
Not really.
Not at the pat. Got on it. But I was riding it, it stayed good. Because I don't ever get it to my gears hard.
So now I need a wire cutter.
I ain't rolling, I'm mad. I forgot I had stopped it. Good thing I ain't getting out of there because I ain't want nothing in there. Hey, y'all can see, bro, I'm here using these dick beaters right now to fix my shit. Motherfucking
Bro, you gonna have to go on with that homophobic shit.
tip teeters and goddamn me shaft.
You still ain't went over there and got no motherfucking wire cutters. Now I'm finna swap you with this motherfucking wire, bro. You think you can't get swapped?
I'm gonna go find the wire cutters now. Yeah, I gotta